Hello everyone, Moby the Landy. Quick little tour. It's in a bit of a bad state at the moment because basically I ruined it. But waiting for my new chassis to turn up, so it's been a bit of a delay in getting that supplied. But at the moment, we're just going to do a quick review on some new goodies I received from Pioneer 4x4. I met them at the Billing Land Rover show a couple of weeks ago. Basically, I purchased a full set of fuel lines, brake lines, and even a new clutch pipe work. It's all braided, and from what the quick glimpse is, when I'll show you in a second, it looks absolutely fantastic. Until I fit it to the vehicle, I can't tell you what stage it'll be at, but so I'm waiting for the chassis to turn up. But as I go through the kit, I'll just turn the camera around. As you go through the kit, you've got a full set of instructions, because my Land Rover is non-ABS. So we look at the brake kit. So it's got all the banjos, the washers, even the clips to clip onto the chassis. Absolutely looks amazing. You've got the flexis going down to the calipers. So the initial quality, the look of the quality, it's sort of second to none. It's actually branded as Pioneer 4x4. And basically, they've done it as a complete kit for me. Yes, it did cost me a lot of money, so there's no freebies here. It's all purchased out of my own pocket. But so far, first glimpses, I'm well impressed. It looks amazing. So that's all the brake lines, and that's a complete kit for a 110, as you can see on the labels. So let's just move on to the fuel lines. And again, we've got the fuel lines. They're all clearly labelled. And again, all comes with the clips on the banjos, washers. Just looks fantastic. I can't wait to get this on the vehicle and get it actually running. There's a bag of chassis clips, all the fir tree style ones, but yep, saves me doing any pot rivets and so on. It just looks absolutely great. And also there's a clutch master cylinder to slave, which I ordered extra. Why not? Bit over the top for my use of the vehicle, but because I'm putting a galvanised chassis and bulkhead, and I've got galvanised A and B posts as well, I intend the vehicle to be around for as long as it possibly can, while we can still get fuel for it, because our lovely government, I'm sure, is going to crucify all the car drivers of the planet, and we'll end up walking around on horseback again, I expect. But that's a quick review of Pioneer 4x4. As I say, initial looks, it looks absolutely fantastic. Once I've got it installed, we'll do another video and see how it all looks. But thank you very much. This is Moby the Land Rover, signing off for tonight. Thank you.